did a grocery haul for us. We were out of a lot of stuff, so he got groceries for the house.
No, he was good. He was good somewhere before he came.
What is that?
What is that?
What's up, Sincere Squad? It's your girl Shakera, and as you can see, we're back at it with another video, and this is a grocery haul. Today, I let Sahara do the grocery shopping, and I am going to show you guys exactly what he purchased and how much he spent. Comment down below, let me know how much you think this total grocery bill was, and we'll see who is the closest. But if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you stopped by. Here on my channel, you can find all things motherhood. So that can be anything from cleaning, organization, DIYs, a little bit of grocery shopping, just anything fun with my son. And then of course, lifestyle videos and inspiration. I would love for you to stick around and join the squad. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss when I upload. And you already been here. Welcome back, squad. Y'all already know what time it is. I love y'all so much, and I appreciate the continued love and support. You all are so great. And yeah, let's just get into this haul. All right, y'all, here's the grocery haul. Obviously, this stuff is for him. We don't drink that. All right, got some meats. Got the salmon, the chicken, the sausage, ground turkey. Okay, breakfast sausage. Good job. Got noodles. All right, got our frozen vegetables. Okay, good job. Got the cheeses. Got the cabbage, the spinach, the fruits. Okay, all right, okay. Oh, got some little dippers this time. Doing something different. Then all the Sincere's little snacks. Snacker racker. And then we got the canned foods. Y'all, what is this? Please, somebody tell me what is that? Who in the world eats that? No, that is not Aunt Jemima. But anyways, got my oatmeal because I was completely out of that. Got the Zatarain, some lasagna, bread, eggs, juice, and milk. Okay, Daddy. Okay. I think you did a good job, y'all. What y'all think? But let's see what this bill talking about. Who shops better, mommy or daddy? Let's see what this total say. Where's the total? Y'all wait, let me zoom in so y'all can see this. This total says $198.26. Who in the world? $198.26, y'all, today. Wow. What you gotta say about yourself, Sahara? But we got everything we needed. We really kind of were out of a lot of stuff, so this is our grocery haul. Good job, Daddy. So y'all saw how much he spent on today's grocery haul. Y'all, my heart dropped for a second, but you know, we needed everything. So I'm just gonna get to putting all these groceries away and start preparing a meal for tonight. So stick around, and if you're preparing dinner, then just let's groove out together or just enjoy. And again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell. I really appreciate you. It truly helps me, and it's free support. So why not? Again, thank you guys. So if you've been here for a while, you already know I love to take my fruit out of the packaging and put it into my own containers. I know a lot of you guys have told me that you also do the same, or you've started to do it as well. But this is the real question, y'all. The debate is, who do y'all think has the best grapes? Do you think it's Sam's Club, Publix, or whatever other grocery store you shop at? In my personal opinion, hands down, Sam's Club has the absolute best grapes. Okay, so I decided to make red beans and rice, broccoli, and cornbread muffins for dinner tonight with some air fried chicken. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare this meal. As you can see, I am browning my ground turkey, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make the red beans and rice and prepare the cornbread. Unfortunately, I did not continue recording until the very end when the food was actually complete, so you won't get to see the finished product, and I feel so bad for that that I'm teasing you guys like that. But anyways, I hope that you guys truly enjoy this meal. Well, here are my cornbread muffins. Please excuse the little mess I made. We are coming up on the end of this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for sticking around and watching the full video. It means so much to me, more than you ever would know. So leave me a comment if you enjoyed this, if you want to see more grocery haul videos or cleaning motivation videos. I will link those in the description box below.